Hi, I'm Sarah, a lecturer here at HKU SPACE. HKU SPACE and AsBAA, the Asian Business Aviation Association, have created a new program for business aviation. I'm very excited to announce that this program has already started this year, and we look forward to having many more students. I've worked with AsBAA for the past 6 years, and one of the challenges we faced was that new incoming personnel did not understand the industry. Through this course, you will learn from myself and other leaders in the industry about flight management and how to manage a company in this space. My experience has also been for the past 15 years in the United States, Singapore, mainland China, and Hong Kong, dealing with international flight operations for aircraft management companies. I've been an active member in various associations within business aviation, and I also have managed countries over 10 different places within Asia Pacific, including the Maldives, mainland China, Hong Kong, Singapore, Thailand, the Philippines, Japan, and Australia, to name a few. I look forward to bringing these real-life examples to the classroom to have an interactive and engaging discussion with you about what really happens in the industry. I look forward to seeing you in class soon.
Currently, I manage aircraft operation in private jet company. Being a practitioner over 12 years in business aviation, I have gained more than 20 years in aviation industry. We will share our knowledge to students who are interested to work in private jet settings. With this formal academic training via this intensive course, this enables students to build up their competitive advantages on local and global job employment opportunities. Meanwhile, we would like to bring our students to different field trips, including Business Aviation Center in Hong Kong, the private jet terminal, and the private jet air show in different places, or a real flight operation department to see how their staff work as backstage management. In this course, you can learn a lot of practical knowledge and my life story that inspire your career. See you around.